Hello, I'm Morrie, and I work for Wincere in Santa Clara, California.
What did you think about the presentations and the things we've heard about where the industry is heading?
I think a lot of the presentations were very good, especially some of the keynotes that we had on the first day. I think thinking about where we need to be is very important as an industry, and that information that they presented, both Dr. Kraft and others, shows us what we need to be thinking about. We saw a lot of information this week about focusing on the patients, giving back to the patients, the ePRO tool, and some of the innovation and hackathon stuff that's been done around including the patient in their own data. I think that's a great way to increase enrollment, include the subject. Fitbit and the other activity bands that people now wear, I think that was great to highlight some of the ways that you can include machine data in your clinical trial. And I think that's the way some things are headed in the industry. And why reinvent that information if that information is already being collected? It's easier on the patient, and it's easier on us to get that information consistently if the patient's engaged in the process with us.
And what are some of the industry challenges that you think technology providers should be addressing?
I think we need to make the tools easier. I think a lot of the tools that we've had for many years, and there hasn't been significant advances in those tools in clinical research, but the outside industries have advanced a lot more than we have. And I think part of that goes back to the regulations that we're under. We err on the side of caution, or we're very conservative as an industry, but I know the FDA has made a lot of new guidances available about how they're going to approach things. I think that's opened the door for companies to engage more with the FDA and have a conversation up front about any of the things that they want to try. We saw the Innova presentation about the dashboard where patients are actually coming into a website and putting in their ongoing information without having to actually visit a doctor's office. That's a great advancement for patients. They don't want to be at the doctor's office any more than they have to. Sometimes there's travel costs involved. Maybe they have children or elderly at home to take care of. Things like that hamper their ability to participate, but making it available via the web is something that we really can open up doors to include people that would otherwise not participate in our trials. So anything we can do to make it easier on the patients is going to help us make it easier on ourselves to get those trials conducted, collect the information, and be able to bring new products to market. They're going to make their lives easier.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.